Working deeply is a skill you must master to achieve success in your academic and personal life. Deep work involves focusing on the most productive tasks that would require your full attention. Shallow work, on the other hand, is work that is not necessarily important for our purpose and that often will waste your time. Here is the full deep work protocol for you to follow. Stage 1. Goal setting and identity. You are not trying to be the top student, you are one already. Therefore, you must start doing what top students do immediately. Create an identity and immerse yourself in it such that every action and thought is reframed under this new version of you. With your new identity, start setting some concise, specific goals for you to achieve during your deep work sessions. The goal is the beacon of direction, and without one, you will wander aimlessly. Make it specific so you know exactly the purpose of your session and not wonder what you should be doing. Be a robot and complete the goal assigned to you. Stage 2. Deep work routine. I will link a video where I talk about studying when you don't feel like it with a very simple routine. Follow that deep work routine and you will see life-changing difference. The deep work routine serves not only for easing us into the flow state, but also triggers signals in our brain that it is time to focus intensely. In simple terms, you will need an opening and a closing routine. These are series of steps that you will follow to begin and end your deep work session, similar to warming up and cooling down when exercising. Go check it out. I promise you it will be worth your time. Stage 3. Timing. Each of us has an internal focus clock that measures how long we can concentrate. Our deep work sessions should incorporate this focus clock and not go overboard. The whole point of deep work is to remain focused to produce the highest quality of work. Without focus, it will produce mediocre quality. Personally, I use 50 minutes deep work sessions with 10 minutes rest, and that works fine for me. Others have used 90 minutes, so it differs from person to person. Experimentation is key to find your own rhythm. Timing also encompasses your starting and ending times. Have set up times during the day where you do your deep work sessions such that it becomes a habit, similar to waking up every day at the same time. Understand when your own body wants to not focus anymore, and search for times when your own body wants to do more meaningful, productive work. Stage 4. Accountability. The scoreboard is necessary not only to see how much progress you have made, but also as a psychological reminder to keep going on. Human nature says that you are more likely to continue doing something the longer you keep doing it. It doesn't have to be complex. It can be a simple tally of how many sessions you have completed. Personally, I use a tracking app to see how many deep work sessions I have done in a week. Use the scoreboard to understand yourself and what areas you need to improve. Have a journal beside you as well to record your thoughts and emotions so you can refer back to them when improving. For an even better result, find accountability partners or use extreme accountability methods. These are methods that will force you to be productive, such as going to a certain place with no distractions or losing money/progress if you do not complete your goal. Desperate times call for desperate measures. If you have problems with exam anxiety and want to know how to overcome your exam stress, then click here. Otherwise, you can check out the deep work routine that I have used to gain top marks in the video listed below. My name is Saeed and it is my job to make you straight up better.